So our first step will be things that you need is and finally get with soap. Then I scrub. So my uni starts from tomorrow again. So let's do a glow up at home, which I need a lot. Nothing expensive, nothing fancy, but full reset glow up routine. I'm going to do hair mask. I'm going to do face mask. I'm going to do everything shower. I am going to do it all and feel confident by tomorrow. I'm also going to show you all of the DIY remedies that I am going to use, and they are so effective. So let's get into the video. So our first step will be hair care routine, and for that I am going to use coconut oil for my scalp. I also use different oil mixture, but right now I don't have those oils, so I'm going to use coconut oil only on my scalp, and then I am going to use some mask on my ends. This is my number one step because it takes so much time for hair, to absorb the mask, and for oil, you have to at least give it half an hour or 20 minutes at least, and that is why I am doing it sabse pehle. You can also use any hair mask, and you can also DIY mask. I'm going to link my video down below so that you guys can see, and where I showed you guys protein hair mask, and it is also very effective, but I did not want to do that, so I am using this mask, and it is actually really good. It makes my hair so soft and so moistured. I don't know how to explain the feeling. And then I just applied this mask, and I'm going to dye my hair and give my hair some rest, and then we are going to make our body scrub. Let's make our body scrub now. The only few things that you need is coffee, sugar, a body wash, and some coconut oil, and कोई भी jar आप ले सकते हैं. I have the scrub का jar, so I'm going to take this, and we're going to make scrub. Scrub is so simple. I'm going to make a huge quantity, so आप अपने हिसाब से कम भी कर सकते हैं. It's not necessary. It's just some grounded coffee that I'm going to take. 1 teaspoon. I am going to take 6. I'm going to take 6 spoons of coffee, and 3 spoons of sugar. Okay, maybe I'll use 6 spoons of sugar because ये छोटी सी चम्मच है, so yes. After this, just mix it a bit, just like this. It's looking like this. इस तरह का लग रहा है ये अभी. शुगर आपको देखनी है कि कोई ह्यूज पार्टिकल ना हो उसका, जो कि आपको बाद में हर्ट कर दे. सो इट्स बेटर कि आप वो देख के करें. ओके, एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू ऐड सम कोकोनट ऑयल. यू गाइस कैन ऐड बेबी ऑयल एज वेल. आई डोंट हैव दैट, सो यस, लेट्स ऐड मेजर करके. थिंक आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड 4 spoons. 4 spoons of coconut oil and just a pump of this body wash. Okay, just like this. I don't want much. And then we are going to mix it. It looks like this right now. This is how my scrub looks. You guys can actually store it as well, so it depends on you. Okay, this is the easiest recipe and the most effective face mask recipe that I have ever used. और इसका मैं challenge भी करी थी 30 days का, and it's so effective for suntan, for like glowing skin, anything you want. You can just use this mask and it's so good. Same amount of besan and same amount of rice flour into a bowl, and then mix it. You can also add a pinch of turmeric. That is it. And I'll just mix it by adding milk. आप कच्चा दूध भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. Okay, it's also good. And just like that, हमारा face mask ready है. This is how it looks. I like this consistency. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा thick mask भी नहीं पसंद. I think this consistency is the best. तो हमने यही रखी हुई है. ठीक है. अगर आपने full body पे करना है तो आप इसको double कर दें and you can use it on full body. Before applying my face mask, I'm going to do some scrubbing. This is the scrub I am using. You can also use any other scrub. I also have this one. So I'm going to use this scrub. Okay, I'm going to use it on my dry skin. But you guys can also wet your skin a bit और फिर आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. I applied it on my dry skin. I scrubbed a bit and then I added some water and then I scrubbed a bit more और फिर मैंने इसको remove किया था. I love this grow away scrub because it gives you so much glowing skin and leaves your skin moisturized and hydrated, and that is what I feel like that a scrub should do. तो फिर मैं ये use करती हूँ. I really like it a lot, and you can also use this as a mask. I decided to shave my face as well before I apply mask, so we are going to do that. If you have sensitive skin and you don't like baby oil on your face, you can totally skip baby oil. You can apply facial oil, face serums, aloe vera gel, anything that suits on your skin before doing the shaving part because it is kind of harsh to your skin. So I think that you should apply any oil, any serum before doing this part. And then I just shaved my face and it was really dirty. No, after that we are not just going to apply the mask all over our face. We are going to wash our face with the face wash because I have applied oil and it is necessary to remove that oil वरना वो हमारे pores को clog कर देगा. So I am going to use face wash my face, and then we're going to apply mask. And I love this mask so much for anyone who wants to remove hyperpigmentation, dullness, and who wants glowing skin or just wants smooth skin. You guys have to try this mask. It is the best mask ever. And now it's finally the shower time. So at first what I do is I wash my full skin with the soap, and then I scrubbed my whole body with this scrub. I love this scrub so much. It actually brightens your skin, it moisturizes your skin because इसके अंदर oil है तो it just moisturizes your skin a lot. But do not skip body wash afterwards. You need to apply body wash really nicely afterwards. और आपने स्क्रब भी अच्छे से करना है. ऐसा नहीं कि आपने लगा के फ़ौरन से धो लेना है. You have to scrub your body for around like 2 to 5 minutes at least, so that अच्छे से आपका जो सारा स्क्रब है, जो सारी डेड स्किन है, वो सब कुछ निकले. And then you will feel clean and nice and confident. And after shower, this is the must part that I think so many people skip and they don't feel confident and nice after all of these things that we just did because of our hair. Our hair is the most important part of our personality, and we sometimes get lazy for our hair care routine, and I think that is really stupid of you all because like you should do your hair care religiously. And I'm not kidding. I started doing my hair care and I felt a lot of change in my hair and in my personality because of those hair, because your self-confidence baddie era. Okay, so what I did, I just applied some serum on my wet hair, and then I applied this hairspray that I made, and I've showed it in my other video. You guys can check that out. And then I blow dried my hair because it makes a huge difference. And then we are going to paint our nails. I haven't done this in a long while, okay? And I really wanted to feel confident and to feel myself, so I decided to paint my nails with this dark brown color. I really like this shade. I usually do nude or pinkish nails, but I really wanted to try something dark and something really nice, so I loved these. And then that is it for the glow up, guys. I'm ready for tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.